Hello, and welcome to the Biomimicry Podcast, a show where we explore connections between engineering, technology, humanities, and the arts. I'm your host, Noah. Today we will be discussing Velcro and how it directly relates to nature. In this episode of Nature's Design Studio, we will break down a classic case study of biomimicry to examine how engineering looked to biology to solve everyday human problems. We will trace its origins from a simple walk in the woods to a widespread adoption across aerospace, healthcare, automotive, and industrial manufacturing. Our story begins in 1941 with the Swiss electrical engineer by the name of Georges de Maistre. He went for a routine hunting trip in the Alps with his dog. When they returned, he noticed that both his pants and his dog's hair were covered in pesky burdock burrs. Instead of brushing them off in annoyance, curiosity got the best of him. He examined the burrs under a microscope and discovered they were covered in hundreds of tiny flexible hooks that perfectly caught on the microscopic loops in fabric and hair. Nature had designed a mechanical, reusable fastening system to help burdock plants disperse their seeds across long distances using passing animals. George realized that he could replicate this hook and loop mechanism synthetically. He could create a completely new type of fastener. After testing various materials, he turned to woven nylon, which provided the perfect combination of flexibility and structural memory. He named his invention Velcro, combining the French words velours, velvet, and crochet hook. While initially used mostly for apparel, the true power of hook and loop technology lies in incredible versatility across different industries, including aerospace and space exploration. NASA used Velcro during the Apollo space missions to fasten any tools, equipment, and panels inside cabins, preventing them from floating away in the zero gravity environment. It's also used in healthcare and medicine. Velcro is used for orthotics, braces, blood pressure cuffs, and assistive equipment. It allows healthcare providers to apply secure adjustable pressure while ensuring rapid removal during emergencies. Some automobile and transportation industries use it, using the hook and loop systems to attach headliners, interior door panels, seat trim covers, carpeting. Using the Velcro reduces the overall assembly time of vehicles, eliminating squeaks or rattles caused by the metal fasteners, and overall lowers the overall weight of the vehicle. It can also be used in electrical management. In heavy industry, reusable heavy-duty wraps are used for organizing electrical wiring, harnesses, protecting sensitive fiber optic cables, and bundling structural material safety. Consumer goods also use it. As we discussed before, it is used in some apparel, in some everyday shoes and sportswears. It's also used in adaptive clothing for individuals with mobility challenges or disabilities, replacing traditional buttons and zippers. So that was a lesson on Georges de Maistre. Today we have covered the history of Velcro and how it relates to the seeds of the burdock plant, showing how a natural mechanism transformed into an indispensable tool for any industries and aerospace applications.